Universal Orlando to replace iconic coaster with Fast and Amp. Furious. Hollywood Drift. Universal Orlando Resort is revamping its thrill ride lineup, announcing a new roller coaster experience based on the Fast and Amp, Furious film franchise. The attraction, titled Fast and Amp, Furious, Hollywood Drift, will replace the long-running Hollywood Rip Ride rocket coaster, which closed in late 2023 after 16 years of operation. A drift-focused experience, the new coaster, slated for a 2027 opening, promises a unique experience centered around 360-degree drifting. Riders will board vehicles modeled after the iconic cars from the Fast and Amp. Furious movies, including Dom Toretto's Dodge Charger and Paul Walker's Nissan Skyline. The attraction includes a striking 170-foot vertical spike, making it nearly 17 stories high, and will feature what Universal calls jaw-dropping maneuvers. Farewell to Supercharged. The arrival of Hollywood Drift means another Fast and Amp, Furious attraction will close permanently. Fast and Amp, Furious Supercharged. The ride will shut down in 2027, after nearly a decade in operation. What to expect? Drawing clues from Hollywood. Universal has not yet released full details on the Orlando version, but fans can look to the Hollywood iteration for insight. The Hollywood coaster, opening in 2026, is 4,100 feet long and reaches speeds of up to 72 miles per hour. It replicates the franchise's signature drifting action, with vehicles designed after the movie cars. This expansion signifies Universal's continued investment in immersive, blockbuster-themed experiences, leveraging the popularity of the Fast and Amp, Furious franchise to draw thrill seekers. The replacement of a well-established coaster with a new, high-concept ride suggests a strategic shift toward more dynamic and technologically advanced attractions. The Orlando version will likely mirror these features, though with a one-year delay. Further details are expected closer to the ride's debut. Universal Orlando's decision to replace Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket with Fast and Amp. Furious. Hollywood Drift highlights the park's commitment to staying current with popular culture and providing cutting-edge entertainment. The new coaster's focus on drifting, combined with the franchise's established fanbase, positions it as a major draw for thrill-seeking visitors.